Hello everyone, Mohammed here. Good morning from beautiful Bahrain. So here is the 4-bedroom plus maid room, brand new villa with 2 car parking inside, automatic shutter door, and here is the separate private pool. You can see it will be ready after confirmation, and the villa is completely also ready. Just they have to do the deep cleaning and you can start the shifting. And here you can put your plantations. Now here is the main entrance, the first living area, central AC, and it have the lift also. You can see nice living area, and this side stairs are going. Here is the your private lift to go first and second, third floor, and here is the swimming pool. Okay, and this one is the guest toilet and washing area. Which things are missing, they will provide that. And this one is the dining area with an open kitchen. And this one is the dirty kitchen, closed one. Separate split AC, gas. Outside it was electric induction. Here is the gas cooker, built-in wardrobes, and here is the water plantation for the swimming pool, and that one is the water tank. Now it's time to go to the first floor and second floor. So to be continue and be with me. So now we are on the first floor. On the left side, here is the one big and main master bedroom. You can see size, fully bright. And here is the beautiful dressing area, built-in wardrobes, ambient lights, and here is the attached bathroom. Separate standard shower. Here little store you can say, or study table you can put here. Lift area, left side window, and this one is the other master bedroom with very nice view, fully bright, and built-in wardrobe. So 2 master bedrooms on the first floor, and 2 plus maid room plus attached bathroom on second floor. Now we are on the second floor. So when we will come on the second floor, here is the maid room. You can see separate split AC and with attached bathroom. It's brand new. Sunlight is also coming here. And here is the third master bedroom. You can see, and it's with balcony, dressing area, which is very spacious. And here is the attached bathroom with standard shower. This side is our laundry area, washing and dryer, and here is the lift. And this one is the 4th master bedroom, which is upstairs, central AC, and all are separate controls. Dressing area, and attached bathroom with standard shower. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Yeah, I just want to tell you, this is the morning time, so the sunlight is good. On the main master bedrooms, they are coming directly. So here is the ground floor. I will show you so you will have some kind of idea how the sunlight, daylight is coming or not. Okay. So here it is.